How to fix the Snapchat lens lagging on your Android device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is the issue with your Snapchat lens, first and foremost make sure to close all the background applications currently running. Once that is done, ensure your device has the latest version of Snapchat. You can check it by visiting Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on the search bar, type in Snapchat, and check if any update is available. If it is, make sure to tap on it. Once you have updated the app, make sure to restart your phone. After that, head over to your Snapchat and go to App Info. This can be done by long pressing the app. Then go to the storage and cache and clear the cache from the app settings. Sometimes the issue could also be with the hardware, so you can check your phone's camera is working fine with other apps to rule out the hardware issues. However, if lag persists, disable any other running apps or try again. This way, reducing the background task and ensuring sufficient RAM might help with the lens lag. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.